Top 10 facts about glorious creature regarding toucan birds. Prepare to be astounded by the staggering toucan, perhaps of the most colorful and dazzling bird on the planet. Prepare yourself for a thrilling excursion as I present to you the best 10 facts about these subwild animals. Fact number 1. Astonishing rainbow tones. Plain to be amazed by the toucan's staggering plumage with their lively plumes in shades of red, yellow, blue, and green. These birds are nature's own personal living rainbows. Their brilliant appearances makes certain to leave you dumbfounded. Fact number 2. Huge nose. Pause your breathing as we talk about the toucan's most popular element. Their uncommon snout. Their striking limb isn't just outwardly great, yet in addition fills a need. It assists the toucan with arriving at organic products on branches that are generally inaccessible, making them gifted foragers. Fact number 3. Fruity dining experience. Might you at any point envision devouring an organic product salad consistently? Indeed, that is unequivocally the very thing that toucans do. Their eating regimen mostly comprises of scrumptious organic products which they ably pluck from trees, utilizing their long, dexterous mouths. Discuss a genuinely tropical way of life. Fact number 4. Gymnastic flyers. Prepare to be flabbergasted by their aeronautical trapeze. Artistry toucans are dexterous flyers, easily moving through the thick rainforest covering with their lightweight bodies serious areas of strength far, and they can shoot through the trees with elegance and accuracy. Fact number 5. Extroverts. Toucans are not simply attractive, they are likewise profoundly friendly birds. They frequently travel in little runs, and their well-disposed nature makes them great allies to notice and cooperate with. Their lively jokes and happy calls will doubtlessly carry a grin to your face. Fact number 6. Setting niches. Toucans have a skill for tracking down extraordinary spots to fabricate their homes. They frequently pick tree pits or deserted woodpecker openings as their comfortable homes. Envision coincidentally finding a secret toucan home during a woods experience, a genuinely enchanted encounter. Fact number 7. Great energize, as it were. Toucans are known for their laid-back and positive attitude. Their lively characters and light-hearted mentality can light up anybody's day. Noticing their lively associations and happy call can give you a much needed boost and remind you to see the value in life's straightforward delights. Fact number 8. Significant seed dispersers. In all honesty, Toucans assumes an essential part in the biological system as seed dispersers at the point when they crunch on organic products. They gulp down the seeds just to later scatter them all over through their droppings. They are nature's keepers, adding to the development and variety of the rainforest. Amazing size. While their snouts get everyone's attention, toucans are likewise astonishingly estimated birds. Contingent upon the species, they can go from 20 to 25 creeps long, with their snouts alone estimating around 7 to 8 inches. They really order considerations with their monumental presence. Fact number 10. Social symbols. At long last, toucans have become adored images in mainstream society, addressing tropical excellence and experience, from being mascots for oats and brands to showing up in kids' shows and films. These birds have caught the hearts of the individuals around the world, solidifying their place as social symbols. Thus, that is essentially it. 10 invigorating realities about the toucan, a bird that genuinely epitomizes the miracles of nature with their energetic varieties, perky characters, and mind-boggling snouts. These outlandish animals make certain to leave you spellbound. Get ready to be captivated by the charming universe of toucans. That's all.